Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to remove age restriction on YouTube. First of all, you can open the YouTube application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can go to the profile icon, that is you at the bottom right corner of the screen. I can already reach the page. After this, you can tap on settings at the top right and make sure if you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do. Trying using a VPN, it's secure, easy to use and makes some browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. Now continue the video. You can just simply tap on general. After tapping on general, you can see the option restricted mode. Make sure that you disable this option, and it is a way you can remove age restriction on YouTube. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.